Brown patches of grass are common occurrences that can be challenging to identify. Sometimes these may indicate your grass is either dying or becoming dormant. Repairing brown patches of grass can be costly and time-consuming, so understanding why your grass is brown will save you money and effort in the long run. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about lawn care, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. Before we explore solutions, let's take a quick moment to understand how dead grass differs from dormant grass. Dead grass looks brown, brittle, dry, and lacks its original color due to nutrient loss, root damage, and various factors like fungi, disease, humidity, moisture levels, and soil compaction. Dead grass cannot be revived. More on recovery later. Dormant grass also appears brown and lifeless, however, this is not due to anything like fungi, moisture, the soil's nutrient makeup, or any other concerning stressor. Grasses have different temperature thresholds that determine when they grow actively and when they need to conserve energy. For example, if your lawn is composed of warm season turf like St. Augustine grass, and the fall weather brings cooler temperatures, then your grass will enter dormancy and store energy and water to survive the winter. It's no longer using as much energy, so it turns brown. There are several things you can do to determine if your grass is dead or dormant. First, simply observe the browning pattern on your grass. If your grass is dead or dying due to disease or other stressors, browning tends to occur in small or large, irregular or circular patches. If a lawn is becoming dormant, the entire area will brown together. Granted, the turf is composed of only one species of grass, and there are no weeds. Depending on the species, weeds may retain their green color when temperatures drop. Next, perform a tug test. Just grip a small handful of grass and pull. If the grass is dead, it will lift easily. The roots are dead, so there's nothing the grass has left to anchor itself to the soil. Dormant grass will resist because its roots are still very much alive. The roots contain the energy and nutrients the grass has reserved to survive past winter. Sometimes, grass can become brown from a lack of moisture, especially if it's a cool season grass. Over the next few weeks, water your lawn on a schedule. Many grasses require 1 inch of water every week. Apply the water all at once in the morning so it has time to seep into the ground without evaporating in the sun. Dormant grass may see an improvement in color and length, but dead grass will not see any improvement at all. Finally, observe the local weather patterns. Grasses are segmented into warm season grasses and cool season grasses. Warm season grasses like St. Augustine grass, carpet grass, or Bermuda grass grow actively when the weather is warm, like during spring or summer. They become dormant when the temperatures drop in autumn and stay dormant throughout winter. Cool season grasses grow actively in mild temperatures when the weather initially gets cooler in fall and when it initially warms in spring. Even cool season grasses will become dormant in cold winter weather, and they enter a type of summer dormancy when drought stress during summer. After you confirm your lawn is not dead or dying, there are several things you can do to revive dormant grass. Start by continuing to water your lawn on a schedule. Cool season grasses especially appreciate proper watering during summer. Deep watering drives the roots further into the ground, elongating and strengthening their hold on the soil. Next, limit the activity and foot traffic your lawn sees. As we step on the grass, we incur stress. This signals the grass to use more energy to repair minor damage and preserve its health. Less activity means more energy in reserve. Finally, know when to mow your lawn. When grass becomes dormant, only mow as needed. When cut short, your grass will use more energy to recover and promote new growth. You'll often only want to mow no more than once every 2 weeks. If your grass is growing at a faster rate and reaches a 3-inch height quickly, then it's okay to mow once more. When done properly, all these things will help contribute to better color throughout your lawn. Prevention is a proactive approach to lawn care and maintenance that will always be more economical and save you time. First, address any fungi or disease that may be present in your lawn. Be on the lookout for early patch formation and identify any issues. Use a fungicide like Patch Pro to control diseases and get your turf back to its best health. This product also has preventive qualities and will prevent fungal growth and disease development in your lawn for up to 30 days per application. After you prevent fungi and disease, address any weeds that may be growing on your lawn. Weeds take up nutrients, sunlight, and water, creating unnecessary competition for your lawn's native turf grass. Apply a pre-emergent herbicide like Barricade. This granular product contains prodiamine and will form a chemical barrier in your soil that will prevent many species of weed seeds from sprouting and emerging. If weeds are currently established, we recommend you apply a post-emergent herbicide. Herbicides tend to kill more than just weeds, so select and apply your product carefully. To treat grassy and broadleaf weeds growing in cool season lawns, you can use a product like 2,4-diamine. To kill grassy and broadleaf weeds growing in warm season lawns, check out Fahrenheit Herbicide. No matter your choice, always read the herbicide's label thoroughly before you apply it so you don't accidentally torch your turf and do more damage. Check out our website to learn more about these products and get free shipping on all orders. When weeds, fungi, and disease are no longer a factor, your grass is free to grow without any disruption. Regular care and maintenance will carry its growth and leave your lawn looking green and lush throughout the year. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can quickly repair any brown spot in your turf, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.